Are you ready to take on the frosty challenge of the Snowstorm event in Clash Royale? The Season 66 Cozy Clashmas update brings back the Snowstorm event where soothing, wintry fun meets challenging gameplay. One predetermined card, Warmth, will be available. Your remaining choices significantly impact your performance, so don't miss this guide on crafting the top decks for the Snowstorm event in Clash Royale. This special Snowstorm mode takes place between December 9th and December 16th. You'll need to construct a deck of 8 cards with 1 card chosen for you, while the rest can be selected freely. Certain cards will not be accessible during this event, including Mirror, Clone, Freeze, Goblin Giant, and Ram Rider. However, there are plenty of robust substitutes to consider. Here are the top decks optimized for the Snowstorm event in Clash Royale. And in the Snowstorm scenario, your soldiers become immobile almost instantly due to a large icy area that constrains them. To effectively navigate this situation, it's recommended to use swift troops capable of covering more ground in less time. Deck 1, fast-paced troops deck. The included 3 troops, namely Musketeer, Golden Knight, and Skeleton Dragons, work effectively with the swift environment. While it's better to avoid slow-moving options, this deck delivers swiftness and efficiency. Deck 2, tower-focused deck. This deck includes 3 troops focusing on powers. Mega Knight, Golden Knight, and Prince. Mega Knight with the Golden Knight sword skill and Bandit, Electro Wizard, and Barbarians helping clear the field. It's a match made in heaven. Deck 3, Fireball deck. In this deck, the moment your enemy's troops are frozen, you'll unleash the power of Fireball. This card's effectiveness is perfect for attacking groups of frozen enemies or demolished structures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and spread the word about this wonderful Clash Royale event